All right, Jason, some rain today, and we have some severe thunderstorm threats on the way as well.
Yeah, the rain today, just showery type of stuff, more nuisance, inconvenient.
Right.
Tomorrow, though, your plans will be impacted. That's the difference here. There will be definitely things you want to make sure you're aware, make sure you have your cell phone charged, you're getting alerts on your phone tomorrow. Today, not a big deal. On and off showers overnight. Morning rain tomorrow, that's not the severe threat. It's severe after. So after about noon, 1 o'clock. It's a rare tornado risk tomorrow afternoon, evening time. Tornadoes and damaging wind gusts, it's something that doesn't happen here all the time, but it does happen. So we have to keep our guard up because it wouldn't be the first time and it won't be the last time. Shower activity just fading away now. Casco Bay, Midcoast, Penobscot Bay. It's pretty much over and done with for the most part, but yeah, maybe the umbrella if you need it. But we're pretty much going to wrap things up tonight. There'll be some sprinkles. Onshore flow, though, I mean, the difference here with 60s here, ocean temperature that's 60. That's why you got temperature around 60 as opposed to a few days ago when it was 90 or 99 with the west wind. Now up in the county, run for 80. A little sunshine and away from the ocean will do that for you. Let's talk about severe weather and the threat for tomorrow. So it's a scale here, 1 to 5. Okay, 1 the low side, 5 the higher side. So if you head to down East Maine, northern Maine, I don't expect much. That's a level 1. Okay, 2 here in this yellow, and then a 3 as you head back Oxford County, Carroll County, back to the green White Mountains into New Hampshire. There will be a threat for damaging wind gusts and tornadoes here. I want to just show you off to the west where the threat is greatest, Laconia back down to Keene, outside of Manchester. Okay, but this threat for us, as you see here, as I zoom in, is a little bit on the lower side because the farther you head east, the thunderstorms are going to weaken a bit. Nevertheless, for us, high winds, flooding, and even the tornadoes and even some large hail in the forecast tomorrow from moderate down to low. So here's what radar is going to look like tonight. Some showers coming through Portland, 8 o'clock. Overnight, the rain's going to pick up. We'll see some showers. And then for daybreak, you're seeing a bunch of rain come through, and that's going to move through west to east. And then I'm going to stop in the afternoon here around noon. This is not severe. This window here where the sun could come out would fuel those storms. And you see the reds popping up through the evening time at 6 if you're following along the timestamp. That's where the threat for severe weather does exist, and that's where we have to keep our guard up. And then by 10 o'clock, things are beginning to wrap up. So really just be aware and keep checking back in. I'll have a blog up on our website, newscentermaine.com, going into more detail on this threat as we get closer to it tomorrow afternoon. Small craft is up, wind southeast. Here's the forecast the next several days. Threat for severe thunderstorms on Sunday afternoon and evening time. On and off showers on Monday. Get hot and dry Tuesday. And then the humidity starts to ramp up a bit. Temperatures will drop, though, as we get to the 70s by the end of next week. At the coast, yes, the severe threat all the way down to the coastline. So watch out for damaging wind gusts especially. That's where the greatest threat does lie. Hot and humid, and then we get back down to the 70s. If you're wondering when all this madness with the weather is going to end, it is going to at least take a break on Friday of next week. That is the pick of the week. It's a perfect day, 72, low humidity. Make your plans now. Take a day off of work because we've had record heat. Now we're going to have a threat for severe weather. How about a break, Alex?
We could use a break, Jason.
Yes.
All right, thank you.